I am not a love coach or a marriage counselor. Just someone who has been through enough silent treatments and okay lang replies to tell you this. We almost give up multiple times, but before we reach that point, there were signs nobody warned us about. So today, let's talk about stuff no one tells you until it's too late. And spoiler alert, number 4 made us both cry. Number 1 is you can be lonely even when you're together. Pareho ka mong ara sa balay pero hindi ka mo nga connected. Isa naga-scroll sa cellphone, tapos ang isa lang tanga. Wala gaway pero wala man connection. It's not drama, it's just a sign. Loneliness inside a marriage is real. Number 2, some problems won't be fixed, just managed. Hindi tanan ma-solve. Like, for example, may isa gid sa inyo nga gusto niya super clean gid always. Ang higdaan, ang salog, etc. Mga bayo, wala gilinukay. Tapos, ang isa ya, basta may tulugan, okay lang. Ang isa gusto niya istoryahan or i-open ang topic. Pero ang isa, kiber-kiber lang. You won't fix each other, but you can learn to manage with respect and patience. Which, amon nang daw. Truth number 3, silence can be louder than a fight. Wala away, pero wala man tingog. Wala argue, pero wala man affection. No effort. Dili mo kasi ma-realize nga peace is not healthy when it's full of avoided conversations. Bisan wala ka mo gaaway, pero nagalayo ka mo sa isa kag isa day by day. Truth number 4, your children will feel your emotions even if you hide them. Bisan ano mo kadlaw, you home or smile, dira mabatsagan na nila. They see when there's tension and they feel it when you're hurting. We realized we're not just fighting as partners. We are shaping our child's view of love. Last one, truth number 5, sometimes I'm sorry is not enough, but it's still worth saying. Not every sorry fixes everything instantly, but it's not an excuse for you not to humble down sa imong part. Sometimes we say sorry not because we are totally wrong, but because you want to start healing. To wrap it up, I think no one enters a marriage fully equipped or fully prepared or fully ready. You learn as we go. We learn as we go. Sometimes by failing and sometimes by almost losing it all. But if you're both willing to grow, there's always a way to move forward.